So we're just in Ho Chi Minh.
Morning.
We're just in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. So the plans today so far, we're just going for a walk to have some brekkie, get a coconut because we're in Asia and I love coconuts. And I think we're going to the War Museum today to have a look at that. What else are we going to do?
Not too sure yet. Just going to take it out of the pump, I think.
Yeah, so we've been out into Voi Bien Street, which is like a walking street. So you got like heaps of clubs and pubs and like sort of little bars and that you can really drink at. So we did that the other night. We didn't get any footage of that because it's really bad for theft in the area, so we didn't really want to take our GoPro or anything out while we were there.
And we didn't take any videos when we landed because it was pissing down rain the whole time and we were only in a bus, so
yeah, so
wasn't great footage.
And we had a very long time and lots of issues with trying to get the visa. We were probably in the airport for around about 2 hours before we actually got to leave.
Make sure you have $25 American when you land to get your visa.
Yeah, otherwise they charge you, if you have different currency, they can charge you more. So we ended up paying
about $34.
I was going to say nearly $40 each when it's supposed to be 25 US. So definitely make sure you have the forms filled out, which you'll see and get delivered online, and the 25 US dollars as well. We're staying in a homestay called Condodo Homestay. So it's just down a little alleyway. We found it on Airbnb. So for four of us to stay here for 3 nights, it's $60, so it's pretty cheap.
Here at the War Museum of the Vietnam War. I'm just going to go and have a look inside one of the cells that they have either remade to look like one or it is actually one, so come with us. Fake. Shit, babe. That's a pretty new scooter they use in the war. So just been to the museum, and now we're going to get some food. We decided to get some Mexican. So we're going to go for a little walk. We just got some money out from the ATMs. Some of them like don't let you get too much money out, but we just found out we found one that let us get 4 mil out. So we're going to go have some lunch or dinner, sorry, and then yeah, that's about it. All right, bye.
Right behind you.
I was like, fuck it, I'm charging.
Get your body back to the rock of the fray. Over the west coast, find me away. I'm not a rhinestone cowboy today. Tripping a jungle, passing away. And a little drunk can't say that they taste. Losing your ring, getting the face. Everybody else get out of my way.
Welcome everyone to the World Heineken today. My name is Thomas and it's my pleasure to be your tour guide today. Right behind the secret door, we're going to learn about how and why Heineken was born in Amsterdam and raised by the world. Please follow me to the first area.
So we're currently on the Sky Deck. So we just finished the Heineken tour. So with the Heineken tour, it is the largest Heineken bar in the world, I think it is. So yeah, I'll show you around.
Losing your ring, getting the face. Everybody else get out of my way.
Hello guys, and welcome to the tour of the Heineken station. This is your tour guide Taylor Usher. I'm here today to explain to you how Heineken works. You pretty much just put a shit together, 4 ingredients, then you just drink it. It's pretty good. Thanks guys. So she gets a coconut every day, don't you baby?
Yeah.
Pretty nice?
Yeah. So it's 15,000 dong, which is like 80 cents, I think, 80 or 90 cents.
Yep.
It's yummy.
So it's our last day here in Ho Chi Minh City. We're about to go get an overnight bus to Dalat. And then after that we'll be staying there for a few days, and then we're going to be moving on further up Vietnam. We're traveling with our American friends, Jack and Stevie, and that's them there. Hola!
So we're currently rushing, like pretty much fucking running back to our hostel because we need to catch a bus, overnight bus, as we're going up to Dalat. Just a fucking Speedy Gonzales up here. So yeah, we're catching an overnight sleeper bus up to Dalat, so that goes for around about 7 hours. It's just got like reclined seats. And what was it, Steve? It was like $45 for 4 people? Yeah. So it's like $11 or whatever each, which is pretty good. So we'll show you that.
So we're taking the overnight bus up to Dalat. It's a sleeper bus, so hopefully it's a little bit more comfortable than the bus we took in Thailand. But yeah, traveling with our American friends again. What up?
What's up?
I do the same thing.
Yeah, so gonna head up there. It's gonna be landing in about 5 o'clock tomorrow, so we'll see you then. Bye. Sweat wipe.